Catching Magikarp.
But the sign says no fishing.
I don't care. Gotta get that Gyarados. Today was arm day, and it was a different kind of arm day because we never did it at this gym before, so we're trying to figure out all the equipment. We've noticed that, like, if you use machines at any of the gyms, it's almost like the weights aren't treated the same. Like, the weights at our apartment gym feel completely different than the weights that are at the gym that we go to. But we're gonna figure it out. Usually we figure it out by like the second workout. The first workout is usually like an experiment. When I'm off on the weekends, I like to get stuff done. And not necessarily work. I like to get out, go to the city, walk around, shop. I like to... Pokémon has been fun, so we've been doing that a lot lately. I like to go see different art exhibits. I like to see the canal. I like to see the water fountains. I'm big into getting out and seeing things outdoors. There's a lot of memories for me here. A long time ago, when I first met Amanda, she was working for the IMAX. And every time I'd get off work, I'd go right to the IMAX, where Amanda would hook me up with a pretzel and a soft drink, and I would watch like their movie on their 70mm projector. And yeah, I like hanging out here. I've only walked this canal once. It is hot out here. We're gonna go right back into the mall where it's a little cooler. I mean, we keep reapplying sunscreen. I can't seem to keep these glasses on my face because the sweat is causing my glasses to roll down my nose. But there's definitely a lot of Pokemon out here, and there's definitely plenty of stuff to look at for sure. I haven't been down here in a while. throughout the entire Indianapolis area if you wanted to. Downtown Indianapolis area, that is.
So, Scott, you just caught a Lapras. How are you going to celebrate?
I'll eat some wings. So yesterday we went back to downtown Indianapolis. There was some. See, we had so much fun the first time. We found all kinds of rare Pokemon, and I know we're going gaga over Pokemon lately, but we found all kinds of rarities. We actually met some people down there. We were at this exhibit near like one of the government houses. You know, these guys from out of town were like asking us for directions for a Pokemon that he saw was on his nearby list. And as soon as we found it, you know, we waved him down and, hey, it's right here. Oh man, thank you. Yeah, by the way, I'm Sky. So it was a nice little introduction, you know. We found an Aerodactyl. That doesn't get found out in the country. Only in the city, and got to hang out at the mall. Oh man, we found our new favorite hangout joint too. We went there again this time. It's like
The Arts Garden.
well, there's the Arts Garden. Oh, we love the Arts Garden. That's like a nice cross tee of a lot of Pokestops, where anybody who's got a lure, all of the lures flow right into that Arts Garden. There's also another lure that we enjoyed. It was located in this PNC building, also a hotel.
Oh, in the Hyatt.
The Hyatt.
The Hyatt lobby.
The Hyatt lobby. There's a Starbucks right there, which I think I just might go to today. And there's a nice water fountain over there. And nice big old wide open lobby. these moments. We just found a rare Pokemon right in our backyard. See you later.